Welcome to your 50s, a decade where life gets interesting. You're balancing work, family, maybe even grandkids. And don't forget that bucket list trip to Italy. But there's another big thing you're juggling: retirement planning. That's right, folks. The big day is getting closer, and now's the time to supercharge your savings. Today we're diving into which retirement accounts you should prioritize in your 50s. Stick around for tips, strategies, and a little humor to keep it light. Spoiler alert, retirement planning doesn't have to feel like pulling teeth. And hey, if you're enjoying this video already, hit that like button to keep the good vibes rolling. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get real for a second. By the time you hit your 50s, the countdown to retirement is officially on. You've got about 10-15 years left to save, but the good news is you're probably in your peak earning years. That means more cash to stash. Plus, here's the kicker. In your 50s, the IRS gives you a little gift called catch-up contributions. Think of it as their way of saying, we know you procrastinated, but we've got your back. Catch-up contributions allow you to save extra in your 401k and IRAs. So if you've been slacking, now's your chance to make up for lost time. Let's break it down step by step. Think of this like a game plan. Your 50s are all about maximizing efficiency. So here's how to prioritize your retirement accounts. Max out your 401k contributions. First things first, if you have access to a 401k, max out those contributions. In 2024, you can contribute up to $22,500, plus an extra $7,500 in catch-up contributions if you're 50 or older. Pro tip: if your employer offers a match, that's free money. Don't leave it on the table. It's like going to an all-you-can-eat buffet and only grabbing a salad. Open or max out a Roth IRA. If you're eligible, the Roth IRA is still a superstar. Contributions are after tax, but the withdrawals are tax-free in retirement. That's right, Uncle Sam won't get a penny of your hard-earned gains. If your income is too high to contribute directly to a Roth IRA, look into the backdoor Roth IRA strategy. It's like sneaking into a VIP lounge. You just need to know the rules. Maximize a health savings account, HSA. If you're enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, the HSA is a must. Contributions are tax-deductible, growth is tax-free, and qualified medical withdrawals are tax-free. Bonus: after age 65, you can use it for non-medical expenses without penalty. Don't forget a traditional IRA. For those who prefer a tax deduction now, the traditional IRA is still a great option. Just keep in mind the income limits for deductibility if you're covered by a workplace retirement plan. Consider a taxable brokerage account. Once you've maxed out your tax-advantaged accounts, a taxable brokerage account gives you flexibility. There are no contribution limits, and you can access the funds any time without penalties. Perfect for pre-retirement goals or as a backup plan. Now let's talk about what not to do. Retirement planning in your 50s is crucial, but it's easy to trip up. Playing it too safe. Look, I get it. The closer you get to retirement, the more tempting it is to go all in on low-risk investments. But remember, you'll need your money to last 20-30 years in retirement. A little exposure to stocks can help your portfolio keep growing. Ignoring healthcare costs. Here's the deal: healthcare in retirement isn't cheap. Use your HSA to start building a medical war chest now. Your future self will thank you. Neglecting spousal accounts. If you're married, don't forget about your spouse's retirement accounts. Double the accounts, double the savings potential. Plus, who doesn't love a little teamwork? Let's bring this to life with a couple of examples. Sarah the Saver. Sarah is 52 and earns $100,000 a year. She prioritizes her accounts like this. 401k. She contributes $20,500 and maxes out her $7,500 catch-up contribution. Roth IRA. She puts $7,500 into her Roth IRA for tax-free growth. HSA. She contributes $3,850 for future healthcare costs. Mike the Catch-Up King. Mike is 55 and earns $150,000. Here's his strategy. 401k. He maxes out his 401k and catch-up contribution. Traditional IRA. He contributes $7,500 to a traditional IRA for the tax deduction. Brokerage account. With leftover savings, he invests in a taxable brokerage account for flexibility. The beauty of starting in your 50s is that you still have time. With strategic contributions and smart investment choices, you can close any gaps in your retirement savings. Remember, it's not about how much you save, it's about how you save it. Prioritizing the right accounts can make all the difference. All right, there you have it, your 50s retirement playbook. Now it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful or at least mildly entertaining, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more retirement tips with a side of humor. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, co-workers, or that one relative who's always talking about retiring on a yacht. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, retirement isn't about an age, it's about having the freedom to live the life you want. Start today and your future self will thank you. Until next time, keep saving and keep smiling.